If CapCut is freezing on your device, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple fixes you can try right now to get it working again. Whether CapCut is opening slowly, stuttering while editing, or completely freezing when you try to use certain features, these steps can help you troubleshoot the problem quickly. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes and CapCut tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, check the CapCut service status. Open your browser and visit CapCut.com to see if there are any service issues, outages, or maintenance updates that could be affecting the app. Sometimes the freezing problem is not caused by your device at all, but by a temporary problem with CapCut servers, especially if you're using cloud features, online templates, or other connected tools. If the service is down, the best thing to do is wait a little while and try again later. Next, check your internet connection. This step is especially important if CapCut is freezing when loading cloud projects, downloading effects, importing online assets, or syncing files. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or reconnecting to your network if the connection seems weak. A slow or unstable internet connection can make CapCut appear frozen even when the app is technically still running. If possible, restart your router or move closer to your Wi-Fi source and test it again. After that, update CapCut to the latest version. An outdated version of the app can cause performance problems, bugs, and freezing issues, especially after a new device update or when CapCut adds new features. Open your App Store, search for CapCut, and install any available update. Once the update is finished, reopen the app and check if the freezing problem is gone. In many cases, simply updating CapCut solves the issue right away. Now let's clear the cache. Go into CapCut settings, then tap Cache and choose Clear Cache. Over time, cached files can build up and cause the app to slow down or freeze during editing. Clearing the cache removes temporary data without affecting your main projects, so it's one of the safest troubleshooting steps you can try. After clearing the cache, restart CapCut and see if it performs better. If CapCut is still freezing, close unnecessary programs running in the background. This is very important if you're editing on a phone, tablet, or computer that has limited memory or storage. Too many apps open at once can put pressure on your device and cause CapCut to lag, crash, or stop responding. Close any apps, browser tabs, or background processes you're not using so CapCut can use more of your device's resources. If you've gone through all of these steps and the app is still freezing, try restarting your device as well. A quick reboot can clear out temporary glitches and refresh system memory. Then open CapCut again and test it on a small project first to see whether the problem is fixed. Hopefully one of these methods helped you fix the CapCut freeze problem fast. If it did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with the step that worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.